Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to use the new adjustment options for the text tool in Davinci Resolve 19. So this is quite a lot different to Davinci Resolve 18.5. So if you do have 18.5, I have a video for that in the playlist as well. But if you're on 19, this is the new process. So the first thing you need to do is jump over to the Edit tab and grab one of the text effects. So I'm just going to use the basic one for this. Not all of them do work, so just trial and error some of the ones you have and any of the extra ones that you've added. But to do the test, basically just add it in, make sure it's selected, then jump over to the title section here where you got rich text entry and then enter some text. So we're just going to enter, and that will be our base text. So now that you've got your text in, you can adjust anything you want on this. So just select it and change the color. As you can see, it automatically updates. Now you can do the same for font size. So just select it again, increase the size. And again, you can also change the actual font as well. So if you want to change a simple font, that's all there is to it. And you can do this for as many things as you like. If we add an extra layer of text here, so I'll just copy and paste this, paste it on a second layer. So you may end up with a rather large space here, and it might look quite funny if you adjust the size of something. You can just use a line spacing tool over here to adjust that. So that'll solve that problem easily enough for you. So that's pretty much all there is to it. So any adjustment you want to make, just select the text, make the change, and it will take effect just like that. But as I said, this is currently just for Davinci Resolve 19 and newer, and it is limited to some of the text effects. So not all of them will allow you to do this, especially some of the more advanced animated ones. But it's still worth a try just to see what happens, because some of them do support it. Anyway, that's it for this one. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, everyone.